Shalom, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in with Dining with Zion. And today we're going to be whipping up a nice, delicious, endless pasta salad. And I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do this. Now, with that, you guys, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Also, click that notification button too, because you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. So with that, you guys, I will see you in the recipe. Okay, so let's get into these ingredients. You're gonna need an English cucumber. You can use regular, garden rotoni. You can use a purple onion, some chopped black olives, green pepper. I decided to use an assortment of cherry tomatoes, but you can also use red tomatoes. And this is the star of the show. This is garlic lamb salami, you guys. I will put the link in the description below. I'm also going to be using signature red peppers, which are assortment, and Mediterranean feta cheese, Italian dressing, and also don't forget your broccoli. Now let's get into this recipe. So let's start off with 3 cups of water, and let's add some Himalayan sea salt to this. Let's sit it aside and let it boil. On that note, let's cut these vegetables. So we're going to start off with the broccoli head. We're only going to be using the florets. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the florets off of the broccoli. And what I'm going to do is use that in the recipe. Now don't throw out the stem. You can use that for chicken noodle soup, any stock that you have, or even some soups. I'll show you later. But once the water is boiling, let's go ahead and add our pasta. You're going to cook your pasta until it's al dente. And when I mean al dente, you'll know it's very soft and very nice to the touch. And when you're done with that, you're going to drain it and just set it aside. But let's get back to these vegetables. I'm going to go ahead and cut the green pepper right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut it down into bite sizes, because I'm going to be using something that's called the chopper. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it down to bite sizes right here. And here we go, my chopper. Everybody should have one of these. You can get this at Amazon or even at Walmart. It makes it super simple to cut things very easily and also uniform. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how the green peppers will look. And instead of boring you with it, I'm going to move on to my assorted peppers. I'm going to use a mix. So red peppers, yellow peppers, and orange peppers. And as you can see, I only used a couple of them. I'm going to be doing the same method with the green pepper, but I'm also going to show you. So here I have the red pepper. I'm just going to cut it. Once I cut it, I'm going to remove the seeds. Once I remove the seeds, if there's still seeds in there, go ahead and wash it. Once it's clean, then I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to bite sizes and then add it into my chopper. As you will see right now. Just repeat the same steps along with the other peppers. But with that, let's go ahead and move on. Here I have an English cucumber. I cut it into half because I don't need the whole thing, but I do need half of it. So likewise, I used my chopper. And now we're going to move on to the tomatoes. Again, I'm going to be grabbing an assortment of tomatoes. This is going to make your pasta salad very bright, very beautiful, and very lively. So I would suggest using those. But you can also use regular cherry tomatoes and it will do just the same thing. So right here, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can actually put in your pasta salad. The long way or 4 ways. Since I love cherry tomatoes, I'm going to actually just do it 4 ways. So as you can see here, this is what we're working with. Now we're going to move on to our purple onion. Now with the purple onion, you guys, I'm only going to be using half of this. And with that, we're going to take off the outer layer and then we're just going to give this a quick chop. I was thinking about putting this in my chopper and then I just thought about it. Let me just cut it. So I just cut it down to 4 sizes and then into bite sizes right here. And as you can see, I added all of my vegetables that I cut previously in a bowl. And here goes the pasta salad right here, ready to be built. But before we do that, let's go ahead and add the star of the show, the lamb garlic salami. This is completely 100% lamb, you guys. And like I said, I will put the link in the description. And as you can see, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this smells absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this down to bite sizes. And I'm also going to show you really quick, when cutting this, make sure that you take off or remove the casing. The casing is for it to be kept well together, but we don't need it in our pasta salad, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to cut. Now, once all casing is removed, just like I said, once casing are all removed, you're going to cut them into 4. This way, it gives the pasta salad a uniform structure. As you can see here, it's down to bite sizes, just like my vegetables. So now, let's go ahead and build this pasta salad. Let's go ahead and bring back those vegetables. Look at that. That is so beautiful and so colorful, but wait until we build this. So let's just go ahead and just grab a handful of all these vegetables and start spreading them. But you gotta keep watching. This is going to be loaded with flavor. Once you've added all of your ingredients, but we're not done yet, let's go ahead and add the zesty Italian dressing. This zesty Italian dressing goes completely far with this recipe. It brings life to this recipe, and then not only that, it also brings all of the flavors together. So right here, I'm gonna add some black chopped olives. I decided to go with the smaller version because, of course, I have kids and they don't particularly like olives. So just to kind of hide them in there, I chose that. I'm also going to go with some Mediterranean feta cheese as well too. The reasons why I chose Mediterranean is because it has a garlic and kind of herb taste to it. And that's what I'm really trying to bring out in this recipe. And once that is all assembled, you guys, we're going to give this a quick mix, as you can see right now. only added just a little bit of the Italian dressing just to make sure that all of these are combined. So when you're ready and you're done mixing, what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit more on top. And you can let this sit in your fridge to marinate for about 20 minutes or even do this overnight. And once that's put on top, you're done. All it is now is to serve it up and taste the delicious pasta salad that you created. With that, you guys, again, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. And with that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. I'm out.